Nowadays, many YouTubers, in order to improve the quality of their videos, would put in great effort to create their own shooting space. However, in the early stage of video creation, it is hard to muster up that kind of energy for setup. But now, we can use AI to create our own shooting room. So in today's video, we'll show you how to do just that. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, before we begin, we'll need to shoot some raw footage. Make sure your frame is stable and the subject is in the center during the shooting. Now, let's open VideoProc and place the recorded material in the video track. Then, in the preview window, resize the frame to a suitable position. Of course, if there are parts you don't need, you can use the crop tool by clicking the bottom and trim the excess. Pay attention to dragging the playhead for inspection to avoid cutting off the subject. Then, click Apply and return to the main interface. And click here to take a screenshot of the photo. Next, let's open the browser. Open firefly.adobe.com in the browser. First, you'll need to register an Adobe account, and then you can directly use the AI tool on the website. There are 4 available functions: text to image, generative fill, text effects, and a generative recolor. Well, today we will primarily focus on the generative fill. Click on Generate to enter the editing interface. Here we will see the upload interface and some presets below. Drag the snapshot into the window to enter the editing interface, which is divided into 3 parts: the tool area on the left, the function area below, and a preview window in the middle. There are 2 tools: Insert and Remove. The Insert tool allows you to generate new content in the image. Use the mouse to pin the areas you want to add to the image. If you make a mistake, you can click Subtract to remove some content. You can also adjust the brush size in the brush settings. Use the mouse to pin the areas you want. Erase the black background. After that, click the Generate button. The AI will generate some new content. Here are 3 options for you. You can click on them one by one to view. Or you can also input some keywords. The AI will generate content based on these keywords. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can click More here to let the AI generate new content. Click Keep to save. Then, click the Download button in the upper right corner to download the image. Now, let's go back to VideoProc and re-import the AI-generated image into the media library. Then, in the timeline, drag the original material from the video track to the overlay track. Place the AI image in the video track. Use Ripple Edit to adjust the duration of the 2 materials to match. Now, we have an AI-generated digital shooting room. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!